In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a brokerage account in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Start from your dashboard and look for the plus button at the top right corner. Click it to begin adding a new account. This is where you can connect or manually add different types of financial accounts, including brokerage accounts. Once the Add Account window opens, scroll through the list of supported institutions. If your brokerage is not listed or you prefer to add it manually, go to the bottom of the list and select Investment or Other as the account type. This tells Origin that the account belongs to your investment portfolio, even if it is not directly synced. Next, enter the account name so you can easily identify it later, then input your current account balance. Make sure the value reflects your most recent statement or brokerage summary for accuracy. After that, click Save to add the account to your Origin dashboard. Once saved, your brokerage account will now appear in your net worth and investment overview. Keep in mind, if you added it manually, it will not sync automatically with your brokerage. You'll need to update the balance periodically to keep your net worth and portfolio values accurate over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.